In this video, you'll learn how to delete the general channel in Slack. This process involves navigating through the Slack interface and making specific selections to successfully remove the channel. Start by opening your Slack application and ensuring you are logged into your workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar where you will see a list of channels available to you. Next, locate the channel list, which is typically labeled channels. Click on this to expand the menu of channels. You will see all the channels that you are a member of, including the general channel. After the channel list appears, find the general channel you wish to delete. Click on the name of the general channel to open it. This will take you to the channel's main page where you can see all the messages and members in that channel. Once you're in the general channel, look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Actions button, located in the top right corner of the channel window. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Edit Settings. This will take you to the settings page for the general channel, where you can manage various aspects of the channel. On the settings page, scroll down to find the option that allows you to delete the channel. This option will typically be labeled Delete Channel. Click on this option to initiate the deletion process. After clicking to delete the channel, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the general channel. Review the information provided, as deleting a channel is permanent and cannot be undone. If you are certain, confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that if you have a large number of files or messages in the channel, the deletion process may take some time. Additionally, ensure that other members are aware of the deletion, as they will lose access to any content shared within the channel. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.